I'm going to look at a couple of these here. Yeah.
The memories. Those ones we get to make with the people we love. Out there in wide open spaces. On the journey of the open road. For some of us, it's all that really matters. The thing with the road is that it's ever changing. It's never the same shape. It's never leading to the same place. There's a courage to that unknown.
Hello!
It's going to call you. And you've got to decide if it's your time or if you need a little longer. That's okay. It took me a little while, but when I came around, it was all I needed. It may be all you end up needing, too. You see, I learned that there's so much hope out there, and I think hope is just another way of saying love.
It's catching on fire.
You don't have a favorite part yet?
Grand Canyon.
And we should all love this life we get. And what you're looking for could be closer than you think. When the goodbyes rush up on you and you can't help but get a little choked up. You realize it was just about the little things. And in the remote life, the little things are everywhere. Now go make your memories.